Yeah, trying to replace the broken and ugly B pillar. So in order to take this out, I need to remove the trim here. So obviously you have to pull this trim out. It's easy, you just like pull him up. This one has some missing yellow clips on this one and on this one, so I don't know where they go, but I think I have some spare, maybe from my other XC90. I have one here. Try to look in the garage if I have more. There's some clips that you need to pull out, like this one and this one, and I think only this one on top, and then this one. You need to actually pull this down and then up, so that you will be able to take this out. There's like a vent out here, like a vent plastic that goes here up to here. So you cannot take this out by just simply pushing or what you call that, going downwards. It needs to be upwards, and this one will not. You cannot take it out without also pulling downwards. So it's like a pull down action and then forward or upwards. So I got this trim loose. I cannot take it out completely, actually, just make it loose. And then this one is all out already, including this metal clip over here and the other side too. So what I'm going to do is just push it upwards and then downwards, so that this clip will be released. That one when I try to release it, so it's fine. I'm going to replace it anyway. Here you can push it upwards so that it will be out from it. Pipe over there. So this one is broken compared to this one. This one wasn't. So if you're able to get something in the junkyard, make sure that this is not broke. This is the one that holds it up there, and this hole over here and secures it. So once it's out, I'm going to remove the trim over there so that I could pass the seat belt. Take out this one. I think it's a T50. Take this out. It's not really that tight. This is already broken. It's easy to slide the seatbelt through. Just sliding it, make sure that the orientation is correct. So it should be like this. Yep, should be like this. This label should be facing this. A new trim, the replacement one in position with the vent down there. And then I'm just gonna finagle this, make sure that this one is okay going over here. And this one, the label should be facing here. And then I'm going to put this one last, the trim. I tell you, it's not easy to align this one. Not really easy. So once this one down here is aligned, the clips are in their holes respectively. Yeah, we could do this metal clip over here. Yeah, that should gonna do this once again once we replace the headliner. Once this is in place, the seat belt is in place, you can put the trim out here. There's a slit over here that you could pass it through. It's in place now. Time for the seat belt, and label should be hidden, and put the torque screw back. For the last piece of the puzzle, this square one over here. I think it goes inside. Yeah, I think so. I think it goes inside, and this two flip over here. Yeah, this one should be here. And this lock. There you go. It's there, secured. Yep. Okay, so yep, this is my old one, pretty bad, no trim, and this is my new one. It just needs some cleaning, but it has that plastic trim over here. Makes the stuff slide. And this one needs some tightening. Oh, dang it, it's broken. I need to find one of these again. This one is easy to pick up. This one it binds because there's no sliding surface. So it's gonna get thrown away. I think they put some glue over here and